Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services mains, IFS, and GATE aerospace exam. And we are solving some question based on normal shock. Next question is consider two flows, one of helium and one of air, at same Mach number of 5, denoting the strength of normal shock by the pressure ratio across the shock P2 by P1, which gas will result in the stronger shock. For a monoatomic gas such as helium, gamma is 1.67, and for a diatomic gas such as air, gamma is 1.3. Also analyze the strength of shock when both gases have equal velocities of 1700 meter per second and temperature of 288 for both gas flow. First of all, for same Mach number, we take Mach number of air as 5 and see the shock table. We can see that here corresponding to Mach number 5, the pressure ratio is 29. So Py by Px is 29. So P2 by P1 or Py by Px is 29. So now for helium, no table is available, so we have to use formula, and for helium the gamma is 1.67. So P2 by P1 is equal to 1 plus 2 gamma by gamma plus 1, bracket m1 square minus 1, bracket close, and m1 is your 5, so if we put m1 as 5 and gamma as 1.67, we get the pressure is 31. So it means the stronger shock is for helium. Now for the second part, if we take air and velocity of air is given as 1700 meter per second and temperature is given at 288. So according to 288, the sonic velocity is root gamma RT1, gamma for air is 1.4, R is 287. So A1 is 340 and Mach number will be 5 and pressure ratio will be same, that we have seen from table, that is 29. Okay. Now for helium, there is different R that can be calculated by universal gas constant divided by molecular mass of helium. So R is your 8314 divided by 4, molecular mass of helium is 4, universal gas constant is 8314. So R is 2078.5 joule per kilogram per degree Kelvin, and the sonic velocity now calculated will be root gamma RT 1. Gamma is 1.67 and R is 2078.5 and T1 is 288. So it will be 999.8 meter per second, and the Mach number will be your 1700 by 999.8, so that will be 1.7. Okay. Now for the same temperature and for the same air velocity, the Mach number is different for air and for helium. So Mach number is now 1.7, and using the pressure ratio formula gamma 1.67, m1 1.7, we can calculate pressure ratio. So that is your 3.36. So it is stronger for air here, because here the pressure ratio 29, here 3.36. If Mach number is same, then it is stronger for helium, because here the pressure ratio for helium is 31 and for air is 29.